Greetings, Sekhmet's children, to Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs. Today's video is Invoking Duchess Bune's DIY Magic Wallet Spell for prosperity and abundance. And so let's get started. All right, items needed. You need a wallet. I just so happen to have a brand new one, but you can use the one that you have. And I got this off of Amazon, and I'll have it listed in the description for you to purchase. Some of you may know my favorite color is blue. And so items needed is a wallet, red candle dressed in cinnamon essential oil, grains of sea salt to clear the way and to amplify this magical wallet spell for prosperity and abundance. 1 bay leaf to put in the wallet. And red raspberry leaf. This is one of Duchess Bune's correspondence, red raspberry. 1 jasmine incense stick. And your petition and a seal, because this is going to go into the wallet. And I'm going to say the chant for Bune, Wehlc, Melan, Avage, Bune, Tasa. And I am going to repeat that 9 times. So let's get our wallet ready. So see, this is a brand new wallet. I could have put the sigil on here and put that in the wallet. You can be creative. You don't have to do everything exactly as I'm doing it. I'm going to put everything in here. I'm also, I forgot to tell you. Okay. Also, I have 1 small piece of cinnamon stick. I'm going to put all of the items in the bag. Items that we listed. This was and red is one of Bune's colors. And so this, you can get, of course you can get a smaller bag, but this is the only one that I have. And Magic is about utilizing what you have. So we are going to light the candle. Wehlc, Melan, Avage, Bune, Tasa. Wehlc, Melan, Avage, Bune, Tasa. We're lighting the incense. Jasmine is one of her favorites incenses. And so I'm passing the cinnamon stick in the bag through there. The bay leaf. The raspberry leaves. And the salt. And we are going to do the wallet. And we're going to take our petition and pass it through. I put my DNA on this petition. You can use blood, spit, tears, whatever. I use saliva. And so I will begin to say my petition out loud to Duchess Bune. You all will not be able to hear it. You will be listening to the music. Wehlc, Melan, Avage, Bune, Tasa. 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 And so it is. And so I'm going to fold this toward me. First, it towards me in half. And since I desire prosperity and abundance to come to me, I'm going to turn this to the right and fold again. Fold, continue to fold it and turn it. Until it can fit nicely in your wallet. So it's in the wallet, the paper. And this is the cinnamon. Cinnamon is a herb of prosperity and abundance, and it's also protection. And this is the sea salt. Sea salt is very protective, and it also is a crystal, therefore it is an amplifier. And you just need a few grains. And this is a pinch of her favorite flower or fruit, which is red raspberry leaves. And then we have the bay leaf. Okay? So I'm going to fold this toward me. And I'm going to put it in the zipper area. See? And like I said, that was all I had, so I utilized what I have. That's what magic is all about. This completes Invoking Duchess Bune DIY Magical Wallet Spell for prosperity and abundance. Thank you for watching Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs. Until next time.